I have a nice like S curve going along for the legs. And let's say that I want my S curve to be a little smaller up top and a little bigger here at the bottom. Set my compass so that the compass is wider than halfway. And I'll make a little semicircle out here. Okay. And I'll do the same method with this section of the line. Now I'm going to connect these two X points here. On that X, I'm going to set my compass from the X to that first line, and it should swing me over, there we go, to the second point. All right, and I'll do the same to the top one. There we are, a nice, beautiful S curve.